So every game, we have coach discussion about the game and making a game plan. And first half, usually both teams is very powerful. And stamina-wise, they're all good. That's why first half is always hard. And also, we have to think about the players' condition and rotation. That is why the first half is very difficult. After the Singapore game, Mr. Park had a long talk with the players what to do. And still there are some points we have to adjust and improvement. So we're gonna do the more video sessions and more discussions among the coaches, and we'll get better next game.
Yes, sir.
Can you share the information about the injury of Quang Hải and when he can come back?
뭐 주로 지금 열심히 하고 있습니다. 근데 뭐 일부씩 뭐 언론에는 그 이상의 그 플레이에서 자꾸 부상은 나는데 그렇지 않습니다. 내일 정확하게 깡하이 부상이 돼서 우리 팀 닥터가 미디어를 통해서 공식적으로 상황을 부상 부위와 상황을 정확하게 전달해 드리도록 하겠습니다.
So Quang Hải, number 19, is doing his best to get recovery right now. And some media and some press said rumors and on which is not true. So tomorrow, our team doctor will give you the information of the Quang Hải officially.
근데 중요한 것은 뭐 준결승에서는 강하이가 출전하지 않습니다. 그렇지만 결승전에는 저쪽으로 맞춰서 지금 나오고 있습니다.
But one thing for sure, Quang Hải will not play on the semi-final. But if we make finals, he might play.
Last one question. No more questions.